Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, we're back with another product from Worx. I did promise this quite a while ago. I have actually had it sat around for a while. Now this is the Worx leaf blower, or you can call it water blower. Whatever you like to think about one of these, this is probably the smallest one they actually do in their range. And I chose that because I wanted something that could actually do two items at once. Leaf blowing and blowing the water out of those little bits and pieces of the car you can't get to. And if you, like me, you've got classic cars, you do want to blow out that water when you store them and that. You've just had a good wash, a good blow over, get the kids or the missus out there and you want to give them a blow over, you can use it for that as well if you want to. If you're going to use this on your car, just remember one thing. It will blow dust over the car the same as the professional version. So if you've got one of those professional detailing blowers, you can also blow rubbish all over your car. It's a blower, isn't it? So let's have a look and see exactly what we get in the box. Now before we get going on this is a share battery. Now this model I've got here didn't come with the battery or the charger. Currently this model is on the net at the moment. The code for this is WG543E, and E's for England, by the way. Now the price of this one has been reduced down to around about 54 quid at the moment on Amazon. Now the normal price is around about the £90 mark, and I can't really remember exactly how much I did pay. So let's get her out the box and have a look exactly what we get for our money. There is nothing else in the box, by the way. This is the box. As you can see, there's sod all in it apart from the product. Oh, and obviously your guarantees and your bits and pieces. At this point, I think I better get my glasses on. I might need to be doing some reading. Now, I will say, before we go any further, on Amazon, this model is a 4.7 out of 5. It's really good, actually. It's got a 1 star down here, and then it's got 75% 5-star. It's what it is, isn't it? It's a leaf blower. So let's have a look a bit more detail. If you've never seen one of these before, this is where the battery fits, and all you do is slide it straight in, like that. And then by rights, it should just start up. Yes. Don't want to do too much blowing in here. And once again, it comes out just as easy. So that is a share battery. Now, if you want to get the bigger version of the battery like this, they are a lot of money. I think they're around about 60, 70 quid. I'm not sure how much these small ones are, but I always say if you haven't got any of these batteries, then buy one with a battery. But once you've got 2 batteries, you don't really need any more than a couple of batteries. And bear this in mind, 2 of those will be plenty ample enough. So let's put this in here. Now picking up, there is no weight in this, even with a battery. I mean, they're saying it's 1.7 kilograms. It's nothing, is it? Now with your variable air control, it's this simple. You press this and it goes up and down. So you can go further or not. And if you're right on your wheels, right like that, it's absolutely spot on. Or those bits and pieces in the car you need to dry. Brushless motor. So, oh, there it is. It says brushless motor. So there's not much you need to know about this. Or I'll go through exactly what's written here. It's compact and powerful. Sub-turbine technology. Sounds good. Well, it's like a jet engine, isn't it? Air amplified technology. There's got a lot of technology on this. And obviously we go back to the dual select, which is this. And there's not much else written down here which you can talk about. 2-speed control. Well, there we go. That is it. Now in this next bit of footage, I'm going to be showing you me using it. Just getting rid of a few leaves. Well, there you go, folks. That was really good, wasn't it? Yeah, it's a leaf blower, isn't it? Get with a program. That's what leaves do. We blow leaves about. We just make lots and lots of mess everywhere. In fact, it's great for blowing the leaves out of your garden and into the neighbours. Going back to using it on a car or a van, now let's have a little bit of footage of what that's like. And you can see exactly what I think about it after we've seen a bit of footage. Well, there you go, folks. Wasn't that nice and easy to blow off the water? Yeah, it would be. Now, that is a small Mini. Now, I did need 2 of these batteries. So these batteries only last as long as they last. And even though I finished the car, there was a few little areas that were still a little bit damp. So it's not perfect by a long shot. Then I wouldn't recommend doing a whole car with batteries. And this, get yourself proper cloths that you dry them with. It'll save you a lot of time and a lot of aggravation. And this is mostly for us guys who like to detail our classic cars. If you're Joe Hunt and you want to take it down the road, I mean, we got a bloke going around the town now. I mean, it's 25 quid a car. Duh, you only get what you pay for. Is this good value for money? I'm going to say yes. I love it to bits. I love the idea it's lightweight, and if you're into detailing, you know the score. If you've already got a detailing blower, they do blow out warm air, okay? And they do cost around about the same money. But believe me, you can't just pick it up and play with it, stick a battery and go. It's perfect for the job. Okay, it's got its downsides like everything, but even the detailing ones, I've read reviews on those detailing ones. They ain't up to spec, even the pricey ones. You can pay to 200-300 quid for these detailing ones, which is basically a reversed vacuum cleaner. Right, so going back down to it, out of 10, I would go a 9 out of 10 for this. I actually love it to bits. It's ideal for kicking those leaves around, those small areas on the car. But if you want to go any further in this, you have to spend a lot of money. Now remember, this is the smallest one they do in the range. If you've got a big garden, get yourself the one with got plenty of power, because this is the smallest one and this isn't the top range one by a long shot. In the Worx catalogue, they do the big ones. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did so, please subscribe and please share. I have lots more coming on the channel. Obviously not all blowers and garden machinery and tools like that. I'll be doing a lot more model reviews. I mean, you can't see them in this, but I have got a lot of toys round, and in my shed I've got a memorabilia. We'll get them out and we'll show you all about it. And there we go, folks, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker Unleashed channel. Cars. Honest reviews, DIY, toys, and behind the scenes of all the crap I buy, old school memorabilia. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!